When disaster strikes, survival comes down to preparation and awareness. But even experienced preppers make mistakes, especially when it comes to defense. In this video, we'll explore 6 common defense errors that could put your safety, loved ones, and resources at risk. These are the pitfalls you must avoid to keep control in an emergency. From neglecting basic security to underestimating threats, these missteps are easy to overlook, but just as easy to fix. Stick around as we dive deep into practical solutions that anyone can implement to boost their survival strategy and ensure maximum safety. One of the most common mistakes is relying on a single layer of defense. Whether it's just a lock, a weapon, or even a security camera, depending on one tool, is a risk. Security works best when it's layered. Start with physical barriers like reinforced doors and locks. Add deterrents like motion-activated lights, cameras, or signs warning intruders to keep away. For early warnings, consider pets like dogs, noise traps, or even low-tech solutions like tripwires with bells. The goal is to create a system that slows down intruders and alerts you in time to act. Here's a big one: oversharing. Talking too much about your preps, whether it's to friends, neighbors, or online, is a massive risk. Why? Because when resources become scarce, people you thought you could trust might come knocking, or worse. OpSec is about discretion. Avoid sharing details about your stockpile, your bug-out location, or even the fact that you're a prepper. Teach your family the same. Sometimes, staying quiet can mean staying safe. You might have a weapon, but do you know how to handle it under pressure? Do you know how to quickly access your first aid kit in the dark? Having the gear is one thing, being skilled with it is another. Make training a regular part of your prepper routine. Practice using tools like firearms, knives, and first aid supplies. Create scenarios. What if an intruder breaks in? What if someone in your group is injured? Simulate these situations and practice your response. Remember, muscle memory is key when adrenaline is pumping. Your defense doesn't start at your front door. It starts at your property line. Failing to secure the perimeter is a critical oversight. Walk your property with fresh eyes. Are there overgrown bushes where someone could hide? Are there weak points in your fencing? Are your windows easy to access? Trim back vegetation, install solar-powered lights, and reinforce entry points like gates and doors. If possible, invest in visible deterrents like security cameras or even signs that indicate the area is monitored. Most intruders are opportunists. Make them think twice before approaching. Complacency kills. Thinking, "My area is safe," or "that won't happen to me," is dangerous. Emergencies can occur anywhere, whether it's natural disasters, economic collapse, or civil unrest. Evaluate your specific risks. Is your area prone to flooding? Could you face a power grid failure? What about local crime trends? Stay informed and always be prepared for the worst-case scenario. Complacency is not an option in survival. Many preppers focus on offensive tools, like guns or knives, without considering their defensive position. The truth is, your best bet is to avoid confrontation altogether. Create a safe room or a secure fallback point in your home. This could be a reinforced space where your family can regroup during an intrusion. Think of it like playing chess. Your goal is to defend your king, not aggressively pursue your opponent. Focus on keeping threats out rather than engaging them unless absolutely necessary. Let's quickly recap the 6 common defense mistakes to avoid. 1. Failing to layer your security. Use multiple barriers to slow down intruders and buy time. 2. Overlooking OpSec. Keep your plans and resources private. Don't overshare. 3. Neglecting training. Make sure you know how to use your tools effectively under pressure. 4. Ignoring perimeter security. Secure your surroundings and make your property less attractive to intruders. 5. Assuming it won't happen here. Stay vigilant and prepare for the unexpected. 6. Prioritizing offense over defense. Focus on protecting your family and resources first. Each of these mistakes can put you at risk, but now you have the knowledge to avoid them. Now's the time to act. Take a walk around your home today and assess your defenses. Is your perimeter secure? Are you and your family trained and ready? What's one step you can take right now to improve your preparedness? Drop a comment below with your top defense strategy, and let's share ideas to help each other stay safe. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more survival tips, and share it with someone who could benefit from this knowledge. Remember, preparedness isn't just a hobby, it's a lifestyle. Stay sharp, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.